Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome to Path to Wellness. Today is day 4 of the 7-day plant-based challenge for January. So I'm just going to be sharing what I had yesterday. And you'll notice if you watch any of my videos, today's a little different. Didn't necessarily have all the best stuff yesterday. It was a short eating window. It was only about a 2.5 to 3 hour eating window. So I did about a 21 or so hour fast. Started eating at 4 p.m. and finished about 7 p.m. And so yeah, some of the stuff isn't really stuff I recommend necessarily, but went out to dinner and had a little fun. So I'll show you what I had, and tomorrow's video we'll be back to some super healthy stuff. So I just thought I'd mention that. Let me know if anyone's eating plant-based, how that's going. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos, and here's what I had. So I started off at 4 p.m. with 2 bananas, and that's good, of course. And then I basically had that on my way to dinner. Then I went to a restaurant and I started off with a large green salad. And then things went a little downhill. I had a couple of beers, which I don't have in this picture here. I had another salad, which is on the bottom left. And then I had a veggie burger. It was actually completely plant-based. It had like plant-based vegan cheese in it and stuff. And on the top, I had these pretzels with this like mustard sauce. So yeah, I don't recommend like pretzels and veggie burgers from restaurants. But every once in a while it's fine. But messed up my digestion a little bit. To be honest, just wasn't like feeling super great after. But sometimes that's what I do, here and there. The other thing I had after this was a couple handfuls of dark chocolate peanuts. So splurge a little bit. Be back on track tomorrow. So hope everyone has a great day. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.